How can you find the most insane, rare AI prompts completely for free and use them to create breathtaking, cinematic images? In this video, I'm going to introduce 4 of the absolute best prompt libraries available right now, and show you step by step how to combine them with Google Flow to generate incredible visuals without spending a single dollar. So if you want to take your AI creations to the next level, make sure you watch until the very end. Before we dive in, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Let's get started. Alright friends, I want to use Google Flow to create images today, specifically using Nano because it's completely free. To start, we click on New Project. Once we enter this page, we set this option to Image. Next, we select our desired image size. For the generation model, I'm going with Nano 2 because I feel it yields better results and lets us generate a larger number of images. I'll leave the image count at 1. As you can see, it shows 0 credits needed, which means it's 100% free. The first website I want to introduce to you is Meigen AI. I'll make sure to leave the links to all the tools used in the description below. Here, we have access to tons of images along with their exact prompts, totally free. On the left side, there's a category menu where you can filter down your search. When you first log in, you get 30 free credits, and you can earn even more by inviting friends to generate images directly on this platform. There's a massive variety of unique and eye-catching styles here that are definitely worth exploring. I'll scroll down to pick an image. Here's a picture of Ronaldo, let's click on it. Clicking it opens this pop-up window where you can view the full prompt. You can either highlight and copy the text manually or simply click Copy Prompt. Now, let's jump back to Google Flow. I want to upload a photo here, so first, I'll upload an image of a man from my computer. I'll click Add to Prompt and paste the prompt we just copied. Keep in mind that while some prompts are ready to go, others might need slight adjustments to fit your specific image. I'll modify the text slightly here so it focuses strictly on the male subject, and set the aspect ratio to 3:4, which works great for portraits. I'll hit Generate and wait a moment for the render. And there it is. It generated a fantastic image for us. You can easily apply this exact method to your own photos. There are countless prompts on this site that you can browse through to find the perfect fit. Now, let's move on to the second website, SpacePrompts. You can find a huge variety of creative prompts here as well. This site also features categorized sections. I'll go ahead and select Sci-Fi. Looking through the gallery, I really like this image, so let's click on it. It opens up in a box, and all you need to do is click Copy Prompt. Returning to Google Flow, I paste my prompt right here, select the 16:9 widescreen aspect ratio, and click Generate to create the picture. Take a look at that, it turned out even better than the original sample on the website. Absolutely stunning. This site is another goldmine of free prompts that you can freely experiment with. Now, let's check out the next platform, Banana Prompts. What sets this site apart from the others is that its prompts are tailored to give your images a truly cinematic, studio-quality photographic feel. These prompts are exceptionally high quality and rare. Because of that, some prompts are marked as premium and require a paid plan, but there are still plenty of incredible free options available. I really like this image right here, so all we have to do is click Copy. Back to Google Flow. I'm going to use the exact same image of the man as before. All we need to do is click Reuse Prompt so our previous settings pop back up. I'll paste the new prompt here, keep the aspect ratio on 3:4 portrait, and hit Generate. Let me wait for it to finish. There are so many amazing options on this site, it's honestly one of the best prompt resources out there for elevating your image creations. And here's our final image. Excellent results, it perfectly preserved the original facial structure while applying the new style, completely for free. Finally, let's dive into our last website, Leonardo AI. This is one of the most famous, all-in-one AI creation platforms, supporting both image and video generation across multiple models. When you sign up, you receive 150 daily credits to test out different image styles. You can simply scroll through the homepage and pick any visual you like. Out of all the sites I've showcased, this one is easily top-tier. It houses over 10,000 images with open prompt access, totally free of charge. I'll scroll through the gallery, and I really like this picture here. Again, just click on Copy Prompt. Head back to Google Flow, paste the prompt, set the aspect ratio to 16:9, and click Generate. Let's wait for the final build. It rendered this awesome picture. I actually tried a second prompt from the site as well, which you can see right here. Both turned out incredible. There are endless creative concepts on this platform for you to browse and extract prompt ideas from. If you guys enjoy this video and let me know in the comments, I'll create a follow-up tutorial on how to edit and tweak these prompts precisely. That way, you can generate consistent images with minor changes to build a full narrative storyline. I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to like the video, leave your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to Desire for more AI content. See you in the next one.